Hello and welcome to another episode of What's Inside. Today we're looking at a supplement for Flashpoint Fire Rescue. This is Dangerous Waters. It's an expansion pack, not a standalone game. This contains 2 double-sided game boards, additional game tokens, and expansion rules. I got this for my birthday from my buddy Wyatt. And let's see what we got, because I'm a big fan of Flashpoint. Stupid plastic. Alright, now there's this is actually your rules expansions. It's got your markers and the 2 maps on it. So you gotta hang on to that, don't lose it. Alright, we've got our tokens here. We've got some jam tokens and some door tokens. On one side the door is closed, on the other side the door is opened. There's 4 extra doors and 8 jam tokens. Then here's our first game board. It's part of a ship. And on the other side, so let's put these together once I get this one opened. And boom. So we've got this. That looks pretty cool. This is a dock. It looks like. On the other side, we've got a boat, submarine, maybe. So it goes together like that. And there's special rules because, like, here's the first aid stations. And then there's like fireman start area. The merchant ship is the first side I showed you, and this side is bulkhead, is the submarine. So you got the merchant ship with the bulkheads, and it's got special rules for it. It looks awesome. Real nice quality boards. The only thing I'd worry about is eventually this seam might give out. You might have to have these separated by accident or intent. But it looks really cool. As usual, you've got your dice locations. So hang on to your rules sheet. You'll need this. And don't forget your tokens. So I know this was a short one because there's not a lot in here. But I wanted to look at it. That's the Dangerous Waters expansion pack. Looks really awesome. So the merchant ship looks really big, really cool looking, and the sub looks really cool too. So that'll do it for this episode. As always, thanks for watching, and we hope to see you next time on What's Inside.